Hello friend, you're welcome back to the class, and in this tutorial we're gonna be looking into a wonderful topic. Now do well to follow Grand Skills International on LinkedIn. Do well to follow on LinkedIn at Grand Skills International. Grand Skills International on LinkedIn. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, do well to have a LinkedIn account. It is very much necessary and it is better for you. It is good for you to follow up on all social platforms. If you don't get information here, you get information here. If you don't get on this other platform, you can get on the other social platform. So do it to follow on all social platforms. Subscribe to YouTube channel, follow on Instagram, follow on Twitter, like the Facebook page, and also follow on LinkedIn at Grand Skills International. So let's get on to the class immediately. So in this tutorial, we'll be talking about grow out pens. Now this is the grow out pen. This is your grow out pen. As I told you before, when you've raised the day-old chicks for after 2 weeks, then you bring them into this place. This is drinkers. These are drinkers that are being connected. So this is how the building is, and this is the inside of it. So you can see how it is, and after doing something like this, you can then spread your wood shavings or your sawdust or whatever substance you have in your location to pour on it, but sawdust or wood shavings is best for grow out pens. So that is it for grow out pens, and I hope you've seen how the inside is. How the inside is very much good. If you are able to connect your space, make it open like this. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. This is actually a brief video so far. Bye.